We're doing week 2, cycle 1, week 2 memory work. So math, our signal is for jingle bells. We're going to hold up our 3 fingers. This helps us relate the idea of the tune, Jingle Bells. So we're going 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45. And for the 4s, we're going to associate the 4 fingers on our hips as we march to the tune of This Old Man. So it's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60. Is that right? Might have to check me on that one. Okay, so geography. We looked at the map and we found a couple of the places in the Assyrian Empire. So we have a little bit of a tune. This is the Happy Mom, CC Happy Mom, if you need to look it up. But it goes to the tune of, here we go around the mulberry bush. So Assyrian Empire, Red Sea, Persian Gulf, petting the cat, Caspian Sea, shape of an S, Black Sea boot, that's the shape it is on the thing, and Babylon, a city in Sumer, which was one of our things from last time. So it's Assyrian Empire, Red Sea, Persian Gulf, Caspian Sea, Black Sea boot, Babylon and Sumer. For history, we have the continuation. So this is 6 through 10. So we just finished 1 through 5. We're going to thou shalt not murder, not commit adultery, not steal. This is 3 plus 5 makes 8. So that's the 8th commandment. Not steal. And not bear false witness, you're covering your mouth, against thy neighbor, and looking at your neighbor's stuff, not covet, thou shalt not murder, not commit adultery, not steal, not bear false witness against thy neighbor, and not, off 10 fingers, not covet. Then we have Latin. It's the exact same from last week. And so it's to the tune of 3 Blind Mice. Latin noun cases, nominative, subject, genitive, possessive, dative, indirect object, accusative, direct object, ablative, hand on the abs, object of the preposition. For English, this is going to be a whole series. You can look up prepositions in paradise if you want to see the entire thing in its entirety. So the ones that we're just learning for week 2 are just 5 of them. It's in the prepositions in the A section. So we're doing about, almost like the shape of a W, like all about, above, pointing up, across, so we have them from here to across, and then we say after, so they uncross and they're pointing behind us, then against. Now this is the same sign as how we had against our neighbors, right? So it's kind of cool that it ties in. So again, it's about, above, across, after, against, and it'll continue on, but those are the 5 for this time. For science, we're doing the tune of I've Got the Joy, 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 and it's about the kingdoms of living things. So these are the kingdoms of living things: Animalia, Plantae, Fungi, Protista, Archaea. What's the last one? Oh, bacteria. Blech. Kingdoms of living things. Of course, you have to get the bleh. It's a good little extra sound boost the kids enjoy. And then the last thing is timeline. So we're doing, starting from the previous week, we're coming back into 7 Wonders of the Ancient World, which is reminiscent of our 7, where we're like having the husband and wife kiss from the previous one. So 7 Wonders of the Ancient World. And then patriarchs, which this was honor thy father and thy mother. So this is patriarchs. And then this is the sign for Israel. It's the letter I, sign language letter I on the chin. Patriarchs of Israel. And then we're saying 2000 BC, 2000 BC. And now here is the fun part, right? We go Hittites, Canaanites, Cush. You're pulling your knee all the way up. I guess you can't see it in here, right? Cush. And then you have to go into the Assyrians. Now this is the same from like Assyrian Empire. So Assyrians, Babylonians, which is just the straight B, sign language B. And then we're doing China's Shang Dynasty. That's the last one. So I'm doing a little bit faster. So this is because of the clothing that they wore with their special buttons. So it goes 7 Wonders of the Ancient World, Patriarchs of Israel, 2000 BC, 2000 BC, Hittites, Canaanites, Cush, Assyrians, Babylonians, China, Shang Dynasty. So there you have it, all of week 2. Enjoy!